Hey everyone, Luke here with another video. In today's video, I'm going to give you my prediction for pricing and what's to come in the future right now for phone flipping as far as the price wars and just some of the things that are going on right now that are going to prevent prices from going up. Let's go. Hey everybody, Luke here. So, talking about phone flipping prices, are prices going to go up? Will it ever end? So, obviously right now, our sim has been down. There's been a lot of price wars overseas. Not a good thing. There is another big force right now that is working against us as far as seeing prices go way back up. And that's the fact that the new iPhone is going to be coming out relatively soon. So me personally, in my personal opinion, and just through some of the contacts that I have in this industry, a lot of us have discussed that prices may not recover much more than they have, or if at all, just because of the fact that not only do we have all these price wars going on and these things happening with our sim, but on top of that, the new iPhone is going on. So if you still have inventory, it may be time to sell out. Now, I'm not going to give you a 100% guarantee that prices will not go back up, but all signs right now are kind of pointing to the fact that prices probably aren't going to go back up, just because of the fact that we've got pricing wars going on, our sim is down, and then on top of that we have a giant force working against us, and that is Apple's own new iPhone coming out, which obviously there's going to be a lot of hype around that. It's kind of a new design in a sense. I mean, you got that interesting camera that's on it, so you know, people are going to be obsessing over that, and the old iPhones are going to be worth less and less just because of the fact that we have a new release coming out. So this is something to keep in mind. Just kind of wanted to drop this video quick. It is Wednesday. We are in the middle of the week, so just kind of be careful out there buying phones. Once again, best strategy right now, just because of the fact that prices are low, is to lowball everybody. Obviously, don't try and talk yourself out of a deal by lowballing too bad, but hey, if you can try and price a phone so you make $200 a phone, do it. Play it safe. Play the safe cards right now, just because of the fact that you don't know where prices will be after you buy a phone. And on top of that, you know, another thing that you can do is, hey, start off low and work your way up. Work your way up to something where you're comfortable. If you're comfortable making $50 a phone, work your way up from $200 if you can do that with your seller. Obviously, if you've got regular sellers, don't be trying to lowball them too bad, because they know the market decently as well as do you. So just keep that in mind. But I just kind of want to drop this video just to kind of update everybody out there, just kind of what I'm thinking, what I've been hearing from some of my top contacts in the industry, people who import and export thousands of phones each month. This is kind of what they think. This is what I think. We're kind of all on the same page as this. So just keep that in mind. There's price wars going on, and Apple's new iPhone is coming out too. So be careful out there buying phones. As always, obviously money to be made, but just be careful, because I don't think prices are going to be going up a lot. So if you're planning on buying these iPhones and holding them like a stock, I don't think this stock is going to be going up anytime soon, just because of the fact that we've got a few things going on out there, and then we've got Apple's new iPhone coming out. So that being said, hope this helps some of you make some money, and I hope it helps some of you be a little more cautious towards deals that are going to be up and coming in your phone flipping business, and I hope it helps make you some money, just because of the fact that, hey, you got to sometimes cut back. Don't let people make you overpay for things just because of the fact that they don't understand that the market drops. So that being said, hope all of you enjoyed this video. Hope it was quick, short, brought some value. Make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.